Use the hub and spoke model for your SEO. What's up, everybody? This is Kevin Daisy here. So, talking a lot about SEO these days. I'm going to be putting out a couple episodes. And what I wanted to tell you is look at how you're doing your SEO and think about using the hub and spoke model. That's what we use, what we've moved over to here at Array Digital. But what is the hub and spoke model? And I'm going to try to explain this in just a very basic way. You can do lots of research. Google it. There's lots of articles out there. But the basics are you have a hub, and your hubs would be like your main services in your company. Now, I'm going to use my company as an example. We have a digital marketing company. We offer websites, SEO, online advertising, and social media. So that would be 4 hubs for us. So those are our main services, and we want to rank for those individual service areas. So think about that as a hub. What would be a spoke, if you will? So think about like a wheel with a hub in the middle with the spokes going off it. So for us, a spoke would be off of website design hub. A spoke could be how much does website design cost? How long does it take to design a website? These are all articles, blogs, if you will, that we're going to write that actually extend off of that page. So if you look at the URL structure of your website, they might be arraylaw.com/website design / how much does a website cost? And so what you're going to do is just build all your blogs and content off of that page structurally, off the URL, and then it's linked back to that page. Then there can be links, interlinking done. So you want to link words within your service page. If there's a certain thing about cost, maybe that links to the website cost page and vice versa. So you want to link all these pages with each other. And again, that's kind of like your hub and spoke. And you're linking all these articles back to the main service page, which is what you really want to rank. We're not necessarily trying to rank the how much does a website cost page as much as we are trying to give more value and power to the service page itself. Because again, I want to get in front of people that have intent, meaning if they search website design, I want to come up for that more so than how much does a website cost. They have a little bit less intent. They're doing some research. So again, think about the hub and spoke model. Do your research. See how your content's developed right now on your site, how it's laid out, how it's connected. If you have existing content and your SEO is not doing well, you might be able to shift over to this model by just rearranging things. If your SEO is strong, I would probably not mess with restructuring your whole website, but maybe start to create with this new model as you build more pages onto your website. So hub and spoke, check it out.
Hey there, it's Eric J. Olson. I wanted to let you know about my book, $1 Million Journey, How to Launch a 7-Figure Business. This is the story of what it took for me to go from freelancer with no clients, no employees, no revenue, to growing a $1 million business. It took me 8 years, and I made a lot of mistakes. And all of those mistakes, and more importantly, lessons learned, are in this book. And we have chapter takeaways, 5 to 15 takeaways that you could apply right now to your business. Check it out on Amazon, $1 Million Journey by me, Eric J. Olson.